How to fix Spotify download stuck. If you're having this issue where the download is stuck at waiting to download or it is still at 0%, then what you can do firstly in this case is try to clear up the app cache or the app data. So what you can do is tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Alongside that, what you can also do is tap on the clear data option. This will log you out of your Spotify account, so you'll need to add in your credentials and log in back. If this step does not work for you, then you'll also need to ensure that your phone has enough storage space in order for you to download any sort of audio from Spotify. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, then what you can also do is try restarting your device. Sometimes your phone has glitches, and once you restart your devices, those glitches should be solved. Now, the last thing that you can do in this situation is make sure that you reinstall this application. So just uninstall it first of all, and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue should be now fixed. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.